People, we only buy IGL. We only buy IGL. These are the best IGL delivery man. Road the cut. We never want to land in a bridge. Speed. Accuracy. Straight up man. Where my name?
Sheldon.
Sheldon. Straight up Sheldon. So Sheldon will come make a delivery. Right through the place. See that? So we say best IGL delivery man in a Portmore. Sheldon. Man, I set up a thing nice and neat. See that?
Change that.
Yeah. Alright, see that. Alright, so see that now. Call it back, come for call it back. Nice, my card people. No, I don't want to see too much. I don't want to see too much. Alright, so the boss I just go start out the thing and deal with it. So anytime I don't want gas, no bother with the whole for different gas places when I get right. Pound. Check them money, receipt up front, and check IGL and check who? Who we check?
Sheldon.
Sheldon. Straight up.